A 6 kg block slides down an inclined plane that makes an angle of 39 degrees with the horizontal. If the coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.4, at what rate does the box accelerate down the slope? Here we have to find out the acceleration of this block. The block is on the inclined plane and the data given is this is 39 degrees. Okay, so this is also 39 degrees. This is the free body diagram. This is the block of 6 kg. And this is Fn. And this is Fg perpendicular. And this is Fg. And this is Fg parallel. And then this is F friction because the direction of motion of the object is this. Now we will write the force equation. According to force equation, we will write the first sigma Fy or m is equal to 6 kilograms. And then theta is equal to 39 degrees. And then kinetic friction, coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.40. So to find the friction, what we have to do is sigma Fy is equal to Fn minus Fg perpendicular is equal to Ma. But A is equal to Ay, right? Ay is equal to 0 because there is no motion along the y direction. Therefore, Fn is equal to Fg perpendicular. So Fn is equal to Fg perpendicular is mg cos theta. Here m is 6 kilograms, 6 into 9.8 into cos 39 degrees. Now F friction is equal to mu k Fn. That is equal to 0.4 into 6 into 9.8 into cos 39 degrees. Now we will write the x direction forces. Sigma Fx is equal to Fg parallel, F friction with the two forces. Fg parallel is downward direction and F friction is upward direction. And then acceleration is downward direction. So I will write Fg parallel minus F friction is equal to Ma. I have to find out acceleration. Fg parallel is equal to mg sine theta minus mu k mg cos theta is equal to Ma. Therefore, mass goes up throughout. Now I am left with this one. G is 9.8. Therefore, 9.8 sine 39 degrees minus 0.4 times 9.8 cos 39 degrees is equal to acceleration. So acceleration is equal to 3.12 meters per second square. Okay, so this is the answer. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.